Hey guys! It's me again, Vanhub here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel! So guys, meron na naman tayong bagong video, and for today's video, syempre, another skincare na naman ang ating pag-uusapan dahil gustong-gusto natin yun. So for this video, gagawin natin ang rice water, or mas kilala siya sa tawag na hugas-bigas for our face. So, before tayo mag-start, normally, ang hugas bigas or ang rice water ay kilala siya sa pag-grow ng ating hair. So, yun yung alam natin. Until I discover na ang hugas bigas or ang rice water ay pwede palang gamitin sa ating face or skin. Yes, you've heard it right. And if you wanna know kung paano siya gawin, please just keep on watching. So guys, kung naiintriga na kayo kung paano ba gamitin ang rice water, so there are actually 3 methods sa paggawa ng rice water at kung paano siya gamitin. So, I would like to promote this product because I myself, na-discover ko na sobrang ganda niya, as in nawala yung pimples ko, nawala yung mga acne ko, at saka nag-lighten yung dark spot. So, hindi ko siya ini-exaggerate. This is what I feel lang talaga. At gusto ko siyang i-share sa inyo. Any kind of anong tawag ito? Skin condition, anong merong skin ka, oily ka ba or what, you can try to use this product. Why? Because kung nag-risk nga tayo na gumamit ng mga rejuvenating set and without us knowing na ano ba yung magiging resulta nito, ba't hindi natin bigyan ng try ang rice water? Sobrang gusto ko siyang i-recommend, pero kung ayaw ninyo, okay lang din, pero gusto ko siyang i-share sa inyo. So, merong 3 methods ang paggamit ng rice water. So, mamili na lang kayo. So, una, boil method, soak method, and fermentation method. So, there are 3 methods. These 3 methods, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya gawin. So, please just keep on watching. I filmed myself doing all these 3 methods para at least may idea kayo.
First method is the boiled method. So first, kunin muna natin ang ating 1 cup of rice. Any kind of rice ay pwede natin gamitin dito. You can also use the rice that you use on your prosperity bowl during New Year. Then wash it extremely well. Turn on your stove and bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Place the washed rice on the boiling water. Turn the temperature to low. Cover and steamer to cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, drain the water from the rice and let it cool down. I just use this strainer to separate the rice and the water. This will take you for about 3 tablespoons of water, which we will now dilute into water. Maybe you're asking why we need to dilute it, because the rice alone is very potent, so diluting it with water is necessary.
After it is cooled down, transfer it to spray bottle. Make sure the spray bottle was sanitized first before you place the rice water.
The second method is simple. It's called soaking method. First, take a half cup of rice, place it in a bowl, combine it with a purified water, and then wash it using that. After washing the rice, place the washed rice into a bowl, then combine it again with the purified water, then let it soak for 30 minutes.
After 30 minutes, transfer it to a spray bottle and you are done. You already have your rice water. Next method is fermenting the rice water. So you need rice, bowl, and purified water. So transfer the half cup of rice in a bowl and then add a purified water in order for you to wash it. Make sure to extremely wash the rice and then throw the water Let it ferment for 2 days in cool area. You will know it is well fermented when smells sour. Drain and transfer to a water bottle and refrigerate for an hour to stop the fermentation process. And that's it. That's the fermentation or fermenting the rice water method.
Ayan, so guys, meron na dito sa akin yung boiled method and ito yung soak method. So, kung mapapansin ninyo, ano tawag nito? Mas malabo ang kulay nitong boiled method. Kasi nga parang niluto natin yung kanin. Kaya ito siya, ito yung itsura niya. At sa soak method naman. Now, if you were asking me, if you're going to ask me, ano yung dito sa mga method na to ang ginamit ko? Actually, lahat sila tinry ko. Tinry ko itong boiled method. Paano siya gamitin? So, simple lang siya gamitin. Una, dito na lang sa skin ko kasi I have my makeup on my face. So, dito na lang sa aking balat dito. Ang ginagawa ko, since spray bottle naman yung pinag-transferan ko, ginagawa ko, ini-spray ko lang siya. Tapos, after ko siyang ma-spray, make sure na buong face mo ang nalagyan mo. Let it air dry. Huwag mong pupunasan na ng towel or tissue. Let it air dry. Ha? Tapos, after nyan, leave it for 30 minutes. Yung iba, hindi nila binabanlawan yung mukha nila. Pero, meron akong nabasang isang article na nagsasabi na mas okay kung babanlawan natin ang ating face after 30 minutes natin siyang ilagay sa ating mukha. Siguro yung iba, pagod na or what. Pero mas okay siya. I-recommend ko na after 30 minutes na tuyo na siya sa balat ninyo, hilamusan. Wash your face after. Okay? And then, there are claims na mas maganda daw ang fermented rice, yung ferment natin kanina. Mas okay daw siya na iniwan natin ng 2 days or 48 hours. Mas okay daw siya. Pero I tried kasi lahat. Okay din naman siya. So, it's up to you kung ano yung gagamitin mo. Now, if you have your questions naman, paano kung wala akong spray bottle? Ano yung pwede kong gawin? So, make sure, kung wala ka namang spray bottle, pwede mo naman siyang, basta i-store mo siya sa isang malinis na jar. I sterilize this one before ko ilagay yung rice water. So, pwede kang kumuha ng cotton ball or cotton pad. Bahala ka kung anong bulak ang meron sa'yo. And then, isawsaw mo lang siya. Or kung di takip yun, gantuin mo. Wait, I'll just need to get cotton pads. Okay, so meron ako ditong cotton ball. Tapos, ang gagawin ko lang, ibababad ko lang siya or halimbawa, hindi di-spray yung nabili mo. Halimbawa, di ganito. Di ganyan-ganyan. Pero nakalagay sa bottle. Mo siyang ilublob. Tapos, make sure na basang-basa siya. Tapos, tsaka mo siya idampi sa mukha mo. Idampi-dampi mo siya sa mukha mo. And then, same din. Patuyuin mo ng 30 to 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, hugasan mo ulit yung mukha mo. And sa mga magtatanong din pala, syempre magtatanong dyan, kapag gagamitin ba ito, kailangan malinis yung mukha? Yes po, kailangan gagamitin niyo ito ng malinis ang inyong mukha at dapat, nakapagsabon ka na ng mukha mo, wala ka nang ibang gagamitin na ibang products. Try mo muna ito for 1 week. And kung effective naman, hindi, ituloy-tuloy mo na kaysa naman gumamit tayo ng maraming chemical sa ating face, like rejuvenating set. Kung nag-risk ka nga gumamit nun, why not give it a try, di ba? And then, ano pa ba yung possible question niyo? Ayun, sa mga magtatanong naman kung gaano katagal ang buhay nitong ginagawa natin, nitong hugas-bigas. Syempre, after ilang days kapag ginamit mo to, magkakaroon siya ng masangsang na amoy. So, I recommend na itong ganito kalaki ay naglalast siya ng ang shelf life niya ay 4 to 5 days. Pero kung ilalagay niyo sa refrigerator, it can last for 7 days. Okay? Pero kung wala ka namang ginagawa, everyday ka naman nagsasaing, edi yung hugas-bigas na yun na lang din yung gamitin mo. Basta always make sure na before natin gamitin ang pinaghugasan ng bigas, yung pangalawang hugas yung gamitin natin. Huwag natin gamitin yung panguna. Why? Kasi hindi natin alam kung saan ba nanggaling yung bigas. Syempre, nalangawan yan, kung ano-anong dumapo dyan, may mga, kaya nga siya hinuhugasan, di ba? So, yung unang hugas, tapon natin, yung pangalawang hugas, yun yung ating gagamitin. Okay? So, kung marami ka pang katanungan tungkol sa rice water at isa ka sa mga na-intriga, leave a comment below and I'll try my best na sagutin lahat ng mga tanong tungkol dito. So that's it for our video for today. So kung marami kang natutunan, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Kung may tanong ka, mag-comment ka. At kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please mag-subscribe ka na and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga bagong video katulad nito. And share this video kung maraming benefits, marami kang natutunan at gusto mo rin kuminis ang iba mong kaibigan. And yeah, see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!